welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, today is a bit of a messy day, but we're going to get through it together. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Trang and I love to sew so much. Today we're going to be making a modern version of the Tinkerbell dress. We're going to be using a sewing machine for this project, and I know sewing machines can seem really scary, but trust me, they're not. You just plug in the electricity, push the pedal, and you're ready to go. I am also using elastic. I also am using green string. I haven't forgot about it. My green string, it's so cute. And I have this piece of fabric here that I got from Walmart today, and it was $3 for this entire piece of fabric, and it's 1 yard by 1 yard long. When you get fabric, it's usually folded, and this makes it easier to carry around, and I'm going to keep it folded. Now what I'm going to do is measure with my elastic. So I'm going to measure the circumference of my waist. This is the circumference of my waist, and I'm going to make the elastic 2 inches shorter than the actual circumference because that will help me pull in the dress and keep the dress up on my body. So remember, I have 2 layers of fabric here because I didn't unfold it. I want to keep it like it was packaged. And then I'm going to take my elastic, I'm going to measure out a length of fabric the same length as the circumference of my upper body. And once I found the exact length, I'm going to cut off the fabric there. This is my method to get the perfect circumference for a strapless dress that is held up by elastic. As you can see, I have the length of the circumference of my body in fabric. There are so many words. I think I need to be better at figuring out what the vocab words for sewing are because I'm like making up words and I'm hoping that you guys understand. But this is the length of the circumference of my upper body. And I have 2 layers here, remember? And now what I'm going to do is cut those layers in half. So right where the fold is, right here, I'm going to cut. And this will give me 2 pieces of fabric that are the same length as the circumference of my upper body. And in terms of the length, this is the perfect length for me, half a yard. If you need a longer or shorter dress, you could always rearrange your fabric like so. I think that as long as you have folded it and gone through the technique that I just showed, you'll be fine. Sewing is a really good brain exercise because you have to think about the geometry and the symmetry. And I think that's really good brain exercise. So it's a really fun thing to do in the morning. So it's folded and I'm going to cut it in half along the top. And I really think this is a dress that you could wear to a party. And I really think that you would look like Tinkerbell, but not in the sense that you have wings behind your back. Now that I have cut the pieces into 2, I'm going to put them together like so, and I just cut the top off, and what I'm going to do is sew the sides together. And I'm going to sew with my green string. After I have sewed the sides and also zigzagged them for super security, I'm going to hem one side, the bottom or the top. They both look the same. I'm going to hem one side of the dress, the top or the bottom, and I'm going to fold it over 1 centimeter to 1 inch and hem it. And I think I'll double hem it, just so that there aren't any strings coming loose on the inside. So hem it like this, and then double hem it by hemming it again after you've hemmed it once. I'm supposed to bake bread with a friend, so I really have to hurry this up. Then I'm going to hem the other side. And this side will be my top, and I'm just going to hem it once. So fold it over 1 centimeter to 1 inch, and then just sew where the fabrics overlap. And by the way, this fabric is the cutest green color, and doesn't it just match Tinkerbell's dress perfectly? Now I'm going to take my elastic and I'm going to sew the ends of my elastic together so that they're a circle. Then I'm going to put the elastic around the top side, the side that we only just hemmed once. I'm going to squeeze it around, and then I'm going to fold over the fabric and hem the fabric while the elastic is trapped inside the fabric. So we're not actually hemming the elastic on, we're just keeping it trapped inside the fabric. Like so. Done! Now I just have to flip it inside out, cut out all the spare strings, and take off the sticker that's attached to my palm or hand. And then I'm done. I'm so glad that you guys are watching my channel, and I love you so much, and I hope you have the best day ever. And as always, if you like this video, please like this video down below and subscribe. Mwah! Bye bye, honeys, and I'll catch you later. I can't go down there, I'm gonna die if I go down there. So I'm going to stay up here and be safe and record while I'm here.